Welcome guys. Let's do Wink token technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I'm going to show you my new charts and new price targets. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. And after registration and after deposit, you can grab these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and these are tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content. This is Wink USDT 4-hour daily chart and currently it is at 0.00047 price range and it is in this pattern, which is descending wedge pattern, and it is a bullish pattern. This is upper trend line of this pattern, this is lower trend line of this pattern. Any breakout towards upside will lead it to this top, which is $0.00108 price. But for this it have to pass some resistances. It has to cross some resistance levels. First resistance level is 0.00058, after that 0.00074, and after that this zone. And if price rejected from this zone, there is a strong spot is at 0.00044, and after that 0.00037, and after that 0.00027. These are support zones and these are resistance zones, and these are very strong support zones and these are resistance zones, you can say, our targets. We have to wait very carefully until it broke this pattern. After breakout, these are the targets. Let me please show you first of all EMA ribbon. Candles have to break this area is very important. 0.0062 dollars. After that price will go up and after that a new rally towards upside will start definitely. And let me please hide this and let me please show you a important indicator, which is 21 days exponential moving average line. Here you can see candles cross this towards downside and after that a big downside rally started. Candles cross this towards upside and big upside rally started. Here you can see, if I calculate this, here you can see it was approximately 131% upside move and now it is 40% downside move, and candles have to cross this area 0.00055 price area. After that candles will cross this and after that definitely new upside rally will start very soon. We have to watch this area, very important because of two things. First thing is this 21 exponential daily moving average line, and second is this horizontal resistance, which is at 0.00058 dollars price level. Let me please hide this and let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is CPR indicator, and it is important indicator to measure all targets. Here you can see, let me please zoom this. These yellow lines are main CPR lines and these red lines are bearish targets, bearish monthly targets. Candles hit bearish monthly target 1. Now candles facing resistance to break this level. Month's candle closing above $0.0052 price zone, $0.00052 price zone. After that it can easily break these resistances and our next target will be 0.00073, and once candle closing above this zone 0.00087, after that this upside rally will start and after that these blue lines are bullish targets. monthly CPR bullish targets. This is first target, this is second target, and this is our third target. But only condition is that candles have to break this area and close daily candle above these three lines. After that, definitely upside rally will start. For this, candles have to break $0.00087 price area. After that, definitely upside rally will start. Let me please hide these things and let me please delete all these things. And let me please show you fib levels for daily trading. If you want to trade on daily basis, then note down these levels which I am going to show you. Let me please arrange this chart. These are fib levels to trade. Once candle closing above 0.00059, after that next level is 0.38 fib level, which is 0.00069, and after that 0.5, which is very important line of resistance, and it is at 0.000766 price level, and after that this golden pocket which is at 0.00084, and so on. You have to note down these levels. These are levels for daily trading. Let me please show you weekly chart. This is weekly chart. In weekly I found a pattern which is called ascending broadening wedge. This is upper trend line of this pattern, this is downtrend line of this pattern, and here you can see after every touch price bounce back from here, and it is a strong support line. No candles touch it again. I think price have to move like this, and after that definitely I think price have to move like this, and after that it can hit our first target, and after that so on. Maybe we may see some consolidation phase, and after that price will go up. If I calculate this, or if I draw this, then our next resistance level, you can say our target is $0.00754 price zone, and after that this will be the second zone to cross, which is 0.0009, and after that this zone, last level of resistance, which is $0.000108 price zone. For all these moves it have to cross this zone, 0.00075. After that definitely price can hit these things, and now it is at bottom. If price drops from there, and if price break this support line, in that case next support area is 0.00036, and it is important, and we have to wait until it hold this, and after that price move towards the upside. I think price have to move towards the upside because of this support line and because of this pattern. And let me please show you weekly EMA, what is telling us. Candles have to break this area, 0.00061. After that big upside rally will start. And let me please show you EMA 21 weekly moving average. Candles are below from this line, and candles have to cross this area, 0.06037. This is the area candles have to cross, and candles have to close. After closing this area, weekly candle closing above this area means it is ready to hit these targets. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your crypto friends and crypto community. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section, where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your accounts, and after initial deposit you can grab these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and these are tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces only, put your seed money away. This is risk free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.